Hey everyone, are you struggling to make changes to your Google Ads campaign? You need to adjust your budget, update your ad copy, or refine targeting. I have got you converted. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to edit your Google Ads campaign properly, so you can optimize your ads for better performance and higher conversion. At first, log into your Google Ads account. Click on Campaigns from the left-hand menu. Choose the campaign you want to edit. Click on Ad Group Settings. Here, you can edit your ad group name, ad group status, bidding, ad group type, Add group URL options, and add rotation. Click on Ads. Here you can edit your ads from here. Just click on this pen icon, and from here you can edit your final URL. You can edit display path. You can edit your headlines, and you can edit your description. Actually, this is my client's website. He said I need to edit something, and I will work more for these ads. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you need any help, then you can contact with me. I will help you anytime. Thanks for watching this video.